Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to post a video on Reddit. To start the process, open your Reddit application on your mobile device. Then tap on the plus icon in the middle of your screen. Now tap on play button. Select any video from here, then tap on add. You can also trim the video if you want to. Then tap on next. After that, enter your desired title. Then tap on next. Now select the channel from here. Here tap on add tags and flare. Now add tags which you want to add. Then tap on apply. After that, tap on post. This is how you can post a video on Reddit. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.